The halls are quiet, except for the hum of fluorescent lights. A janitor pushes a mop down the corridor. A teacher, Miss Lena Harper, kneels beside a shivering young boy on a bench. His clothes are torn. His eye is swollen.
Did your dad do this again?
The boy nods, tears silently falling. Lena picks up her phone and dials. Not Child Protective Services, not the principal, 911. The camera pans over a packed courtroom. News crews, protesters outside. Lena Harper now sits at the defense table, hands folded, composed, but weary. She's the one on trial. The charge? Unlawful interference in a child custody case. The boy she saved was removed from state care and placed with his biological father per a standing court order. The father had custody. Lena called the police without following state protocol. She violated the process, and now the law is being enforced. Lena sits beside the boy, now wrapped in a blanket. Officers murmur behind glass. A social worker enters.
You're not the child's guardian. You had no right to call the police without going through channels. That boy's father has legal custody.
He was bleeding. He was scared. That kid would be dead if I waited for your channels.
Miss Harper took the law into her own hands. This isn't about emotion. It's about precedent. If we allow individuals to override custody rulings based on gut instinct, we invite chaos into the judicial system.
She saved that boy. I don't care what the papers say. She acted like a human being.
She broke the law. This isn't about what feels right. It's about what is right under the law.
What if the law is wrong?
The law says Lena Harper interfered with custody. But what does the law say about bruises, about fractured ribs, about teachers who report abuse again and again, only to see those reports lost in process? Is it illegal to save a life when the system fails? That's what this case is really about. The conflict between law and morality. Sometimes the law lags behind what's right. Slavery was legal. Segregation was legal. Women voting was illegal. We don't sit in this courtroom to rubber stamp policies. We sit here to judge justice.
One last vote. Silence. A hand raises, then another, and another. Unanimous, not guilty.
We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
Justice wasn't given, it was fought for. But sometimes passion corrects reason when the law forgets its purpose.